Welcome to an all-new video series where we're going to do a deep dive into the bolo deals in an effort to find product to sell on Amazon. We know that all new Amazon sellers struggle with figuring out what to sell. We have created and developed this bolo technology to provide opportunities to our Internet Mastery community members. And each week, our community members get 15 new opportunities to be able to look through and source and ultimately sell on Amazon. Now, as always with bolo deals, there's never any guarantee or promise that these will be the perfect opportunities. However, if you follow and watch the Bolo Search series, episodes 1 through 14, you'll get a very strong understanding of the concept and the process of the bolo deals. That's not the purpose of this video series. I do see and hear the struggles that people seem to have when they're starting out of understanding what they should be looking for. And so I'm going to spend time in somebody's account each week looking at their deals, finding their opportunities. And in this case, we're going to start off episode number 1 with Sarah Salas. Now, please understand, this video series will not get into how to make more sales by utilizing tools like the repricer or how to submit your items to Amazon for FBA via the Prep Center. It is simply an analysis of the bolo deals and any opportunities that can come from it. I should mention that for any items that are gated or restricted, I will apply to get ungated in the video. Of course, I'm applying using an Amazon account that could be different in terms of seller performance to the actual user's account. But understand that that is a decision that Amazon makes in terms of who is ungated or not based on their performance. So here we are in the bolo deals this week. And so the first opportunity that we see is a 3-piece Buddhist sound bowl. If we scroll down just a little bit further, we'll see that the second is a snack box filled with all different types of snacks. We'll see a LOL surprise toy, and we'll see all different types of things here in this bolo deals. I'm going to just check out one of them. This one is going to be the Peppa Pig soft potty. This is a soft potty seat with a little Peppa Pig logo on it. Let's see what we find. So I'm going to click on the link to Target. Let's open that up and see what it says. It shows that we can buy this item for $12.59. Remember that if you have a Target Red Card, you can save 5%, bringing your total purchase down to $11.96. Now let's take a look and see it on Amazon. And we can see a few things. The first thing that we can see is that there is no featured offer. No seller is in the buy box. So I'm going to click on See All Buying Options. And I'll see here that the selling price of this item is $25.55. This is FBM. Then we'll take a look at $26.72 FBM, another seller FBM, and it looks like $27 is the low FBA price. So if we're going to sell this item for $27, we can buy it for $11.96. I'm going to click on Spy Rivals X, and we're going to get all of the data in real time. And what we can see here is that on Amazon currently, 3 units are selling every day. We can see that our velocity number, or the number that we should buy that we expect to sell in the next 30 to 45 days, is 7 units. If we bought this item for $11.96 and we sold the item for $27, our net profit after all fees and shipping would be 34%. So this item is selling well, and this item is profitable. The next thing you'll see is that it says that I need approval to list. So we're going to click the request approval via Seller Central, and this will take you directly to the opportunity to be approved. When we click this button and we request approval, one of three things can happen. Either we will be declined because we need wholesale invoices that we don't have, or we will be asked to watch a video and then answer a series of questions, and then finally, we will be instantly approved. So when I click on Request Approval via Seller Central, it takes me directly to Amazon where I can click that link. I'm going to go ahead and click the link now, and let's see what happens. And you can see that as soon as we clicked the link, we were automatically approved for selling that brand. Automatically. So here we now have the ability to sell this item. Now, one quick point that I want to mention is that when you come back to this page, it could take 30 minutes for Amazon to update Internet Mastery and have Spy Rivals X know that your account has now been approved to sell this item. And there you go. We've found a bolo deal as an opportunity, and it is a good deal. And so you have a choice now. You can look at some additional bolo deals, or you can utilize the reverse engineering concept that we teach you in the Bolo Search video series. And you can take a look and see other items that are similar that are available on Target that might be on Amazon. And this is just simply old school product sourcing, where we take a look at each of the items that are on Target, and then we copy that title, we bring it to Amazon, we look it up, and we see if there's anything there that is of potential opportunity for us. Being that we applied and were immediately approved to be able to sell that potty seat, there might be additional opportunities here. The whole idea is that when you are starting out and selling on Amazon, being an Internet Mastery community member gives you a strategic advantage. Not only do you have access to the coaching and the support and the tools and the prep center and the amazing technology, you also get these bolo deals. And these bolo deals as opportunities and have the potential to save you so much time when it comes to finding products to sell on Amazon. I think too often people hesitate and wait and think too much. The most important thing is look at all your deals, reverse engineer, and turn deals into new deals, and you will find plenty of items to sell on Amazon. In fact, you will run out of money far sooner than you will run out of opportunities. So this has been our first episode of Deep Dive Product Sourcing with a student's bolo deals. I hope you found it helpful, and I want you to check back soon for the next episode.